The Cell-Link Bio X6 is an evolution in science and medicine, leading us to incredible medical breakthroughs. It's a 3D bioprinter that prints living structures using cells and other organic materials. For the first time in history, turning an impossible dream into a reality, giving millions of people the ability to print living human tissue and organs. The Bio X6 is a product of Cell-Link's bioconvergence technology. Bioconvergence integrates the latest technological and scientific advancements with biology, saving countless lives and advancing medical science above and beyond our current limitations. At the core of this powerful technology are the Cell-Link Bio Inks, composed of millions of carefully sourced and tailored living cells suspended in an organic hydrogel. And different types of bio inks are customized to print a wide variety of tissue. Using multiple print heads, the Bio X6 desktop system can simultaneously print with 6 different bio inks, printing incredibly detailed and complex living structures. Patients' own cells can be used to bioprint tissue, reducing the possibility of a negative reaction during a transplant. The printed tissue can also be used for individualized drug testing. The Bio X6 opens an incredible array of possibilities, such as printing tissue with embedded electronics, and new applications are growing all the time. Thousands of labs across the globe are now using Cell-Link's products and are making incredible breakthroughs in medical science. Bio X6 is leading us to an extraordinary future in medicine. Where will it lead you? Start printing.